Hello Donald, a quick demonstration of the Imala 730, now the control panel and onboard systems work. So the control panel on the right there, first of all we turn it on. You can see the light showing on the right hand side. That's because the leisure battery is pressed. Look, if I press the leisure battery L sign, it shows the condition of the leisure battery. If I press the vehicle battery, it shows the condition of the vehicle battery. You can run the 12-volt system off the leisure or the vehicle battery, but always only in emergencies, because obviously you can flatten your vehicle battery. The water symbol there, press that. It's telling me we've got a quarter of a tank of fresh water, which I've just put in to demonstrate the water system. The tap, you can just hear that. That turns the pump on. We'll turn that off for now. Okay, now we've turned it on. We go to the control panel on the left. This is the heating and hot water. So we turn it on, and we can see a black line with nothing above it and symbols below it. One of the symbols is flashing. You can see it's a symbol of a motorhome with a thermometer inside. That is obviously the heating in the van. We move along to the thermometer in the water. That's a water heater. And then we've got the next symbol, which is choice of power, electric or gas or both. And then the fan symbol, which circulates the warm air around the vehicle. We can alter the time and settings. No need to go into that for this demonstration. Okay, a thing to remember, before using the control panel on the left, the heating, hot water, electrical switch must be turned on, which is located on the left side of the bed. There you go, that switch must be turned on. Otherwise you'll get an error code. It'll be a coded W45H, which will basically mean there's no 240 volts to that control panel. Okay, so turn it on. And I'm just going to turn the things off to start with, so that you'll see it as it is. Off. Hot water, off. Okay, so everything above the black line is where we're going to know that we've activated the systems. There's nothing there now, so nothing's on. So we want to go to heating in the motorhome. So there's a flashing motorhome symbol. We press that, it's off at the moment. Rotate the dial clockwise to your desired temperature. That's the thermostat. Let's accept that. Okay, the flame symbol now says that the motorhome heating is been activated. One along again, hot water. We'll go into there. It's off at the moment. Eco, take a long time to heat the water. Hot or boost. If you put it on boost, it'll knock the heating off until the hot water gets up to peak speed, if you like. Okay, so we put it on hot. Next symbol, the fuel choice, electric or gas. It can be electric at 1000 kilowatts, electric at 2000 kilowatts, or a mixture of gas and electric, or gas on its own. We'll just put electric at 1 kilowatt for now. Next symbol is a fan. That's a fan that distributes the warm air around the motorhome, or cold air if you haven't got the heating on. Eco or high, we'll put it on high. Okay, so now we've activated everything that's above the line is going to be operated in the motorhome. So that will turn the hot water on and the heating within the van. Now, as you can see, the symbols are flashing at the moment. When the temperature within the motorhome gets up to 24, I think is what we set it on, and the water gets up to temperature, it will stop flashing. So there you have it, the hot water and the heating within the motorhome. Now, two things you must always bear in mind when using this system. Never turn the pump on when there's no water in the system. There is water in the system now, so I'm going to turn the pump on. It'll rumble away till it gets up to pressure. And never put the hot water boiler on unless you've got water in the hot water tank. Now, the way to find out if you've got hot water in the tank, put the pump on, go to the kitchen tap, select the hot setting, which is to the left, turn the tap on, and if you've got a continuous flow of water like that, then you know there's water within the tank. when the tank's been emptied or drained, it will splutter and throw out air, and you'll think there's something wrong with it. But that'll just throw the air out for 3 or 4 minutes until it comes to a clear stream like that. Once it's in this position, clear stream flowing from the tap, it's good to put the hot water boiler on. If you're not going to be using the motorhome for long periods of time, particularly in the winter when water can freeze, we're in the rear locker now at the back of the van. You'll see a yellow valve. It's in the horizontal position now. That means it's closed. So the hot water tank will fill with water. To drain it, just flick that yellow valve to the vertical position and it'll drain the water from the boiler. Always do that in the winter if you're not using the van.